Well, we've just wound up the third AAFPS Facial Rejuvenation course, and it's been a fabulous success.
A meeting where everybody comes together, where different disciplines come together.
It's the United Nations, isn't it, in a way? You leave your political beliefs behind. Yeah, we all do the same thing. We're looking after patients, and we want to do the best, and we can always learn from other people, and particularly people who have a somewhat different background. If we just stay with the same background, it's we're going in circles in a way. So
this particular meeting has been on my radar for a while. I know Rick Warren was here, and Rick said he had a fantastic time here. And then when Leonard Manelli, mentioned it to me, and then I had the privilege of being invited. It took me about a millisecond to say yes. And I love the way that the various specialties respect each other. The presenters are honest, and we can learn so much from each other. I think the dermatologic presentations, the maxillofacial presentations, those are, for me, just really some highlights, because it makes you think about things that we don't ordinarily consider when we're coming up with plans for facial rejuvenation. So that's been a superb part of it.
It's a special opportunity. Great faculty, great group of attendees, fabulous venue and city, high scientific level, very enjoyable conference. Too often I'm asked to give 7, 10, 12-minute talks, and I really am grateful that you gave me longer format talks where I can actually really teach rather than just doing show and tell. Another strength of this meeting is that the other speakers also had 20, 30-minute lectures, which I think dive deeper and give the attendees a better experience.
You can discuss a lot of the nuances of what you're doing.
Yes. Not just Joe before and afters, but actually say how you got there, give people some details they can actually take home and put in practice. You can't do that in a 7 or 10-minute lecture, really.
Next year, Peter?
It's rhinoplasty again, George. That's the cycle.
That's the cycle, and we've got a stellar cast coming to be announced soon. Stay tuned, but we hope to see you next year.
So we'll see you here in Darling Harbour for the Rhinoplasty Conference. When, George?
In September, same time every year, 2025.